Welcome to step 5 of the folding chair at John Oliver. What we're going to do today is show you the thickness planer. So remember which steps we've been to already. We've been over at the material layout. Then we went over to the radial arm saw where we cut to length, 790 or a variety of size pieces. And then we went over step 3 and 4 were the jointer, where we did a reference base and a reference edge. And now we're here back at step 5. So please pay attention to what we have here. So reminder, we have 4 A's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 4 B's, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now what I want you to pay attention to is we have different thicknesses of material. So what we're going to do is you're going to pick the thickest piece of material, which in our case is probably this big one right here. So please follow me over to the thickness planer over here. So first thing to set this up is we want to make sure that we set it up for the thickest material. So we lower the table here until your material goes into the throat of the planer. So I'm raising it up, all of a sudden it is at that point. So that's our starting point. So in our planer here, one turn of this is worth 1/16. So 1/16 in our planer is every second, actually I think every line is worth a 16. So what I'm going to do is, this is our 0 point, I'm going to turn one big turn, then lock it down. So what we're going to do is, we need to pay attention at, right now we're at about 7/8, and we're going to bring it up to 3/4. And I've made a mark here, which I'll improve at a later date, for you to do the joint or the plane. Okay, so now we're going to bring our material over. Okay, and we're ready to go. Get my pieces like so. And remember that the most important thing, this piece is looking pretty short. Come over here, filmer. So we asked ourselves, is this longer than the 14-inch minimum? Yes, it is, so it's good to go. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to, I've got my eye protection, I've got my ear protection right here, or in my case, my own ear protection, and I'm ready to go. So from a safety point of view, I've got eye protection, ear protection, that glass gate's open, and we're ready to plane. So the most important thing is remember to not have your fingers underneath. That'll hurt a lot. So make sure that you have your hand on top and pinching from the side. So we're ready to go. One thing we gotta remember is reference face down. Reference face down. So I have my reference face and it's down. Ready to go. Someone catching on the other side. Each pass we do now, we are going to unlock and do one full turn. And notice that at eye level, we're very close to 3/4, so I make sure it's right at 3/4. And I can do my second pass here. exactly 3/4. Please see me when you get to this step.